My name is Matthew Schiesher. I'm the head of research and development at Cambrex Charles City. The approach of validation at Charles City is to start in the laboratory with data-rich experimentation. This information package defines every characteristic of the process so that it can be successfully transferred out into the manufacturing environment. This takes collaboration between the R&D teams, process engineering, and operations to successfully bring a medicine from commercial into new patients. So the site has to involve research, development, quality, manufacturing, procurement, all working together to bring a process into the plant, through the plant successfully, to validate a new product for the site. The expertise needed derived from the site can be expanded by tapping other sites and other expertise within the network to not only bring a solution to the client's problems, but the best solution for the client. So one of the more challenging aspects of process transfer and validation is encountering time-critical projects where medicines are desperately needed by patients. This requires usually atypical measures. The Cambrex network, though, can be leveraged where multiple sites can be working in parallel to shorten the timeline it takes from bringing a new project in to the launch of a new medicine.